All right, we got a 2014 Honda Accord two-door, six-cylinder, real nice car. So basically, nothing was broken into yet, but he want to take precaution because he knows all about the airbag theft and the rim theft and all other things that they steal off this car. So he wanted to address the issue before he becomes a victim. So he gave us a call, and then we added the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. So if anybody tries to bust out the windows or any of the windows, or try to bust out the lug nut locks and try to leave the car in full brakes, the alarm will fire off. So we end up installing the shock sensor. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to go ahead and tap on the glass, and that will fire off the alarm. I turned it off right away, but basically if you don't turn it off, it will ring for whatever 3.5 minute cycle that goes through. So yeah, this is the nice way of adding protection to your vehicle without having to install another alarm on top of another alarm and carry another remote control, especially if you have this keyless to go. You definitely don't want to hit a remote control, because that would defeat the whole purpose of walking up to the car and just grabbing up on the door handle. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist. The theft is real heavy on the 2018 Hondas, and they're starting to go for their airbags now. The 2017 also side of the vehicle. This shock sensor was add-on here in Fort Lauderdale by Auto Alarm Specialist, and we thank you for watching this video.